Why people learn English but still cannot speak fluently. Hello everyone! Welcome back to Daily English with Emma. Today, we are going to talk about something very important. Many people study English for years. They learn grammar, they memorize vocabulary, they watch videos, they read books, but still, they cannot speak English confidently. Have you ever felt this way? Maybe you understand English when reading or listening, but when it is time to speak, your mind suddenly becomes empty. If that happens to you, do not worry. You are not alone. In today's lesson, we will talk about the real reasons why people struggle to speak English and how you can improve step by step. So relax, grab your notebook, and let's begin. Reason number 1: too much grammar, not enough speaking. This is one of the biggest problems. Many students spend years studying grammar rules. They learn present tense, past tense, future tense, conditionals, passive voice, but they rarely practice speaking. Grammar is important, yes, but language is a skill, and skills improve through practice. Think about riding a bicycle. Can you learn to ride only by reading a book? No, you must practice. English speaking works the same way. Some learners know every grammar rule, but cannot say simple sentences like, "Hello, how are you?" or "I need some help." Why? Because they never trained their mouth and brain to speak naturally. So what should you do? Practice speaking every day. Even 5 or 10 minutes can help. Speak simple sentences. I am drinking tea. Today is a busy day. I feel happy. I want to improve my English. Simple speaking practice every day is more powerful than studying grammar for many hours without speaking. Reason number 2: fear of making mistakes. This is another very common problem. Many learners are afraid. They think, what if my grammar is wrong? What if people laugh at my pronunciation? What if I speak slowly? So they stay silent. But here is the truth. Mistakes are part of learning. Every fluent English speaker made mistakes before becoming fluent. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. Children learn language by making thousands of mistakes, but they keep speaking. That is why they improve. Confidence grows through action, not perfection. So instead of saying, "I will speak when my English becomes perfect," say, "I will speak so my English can improve." That small change in thinking is very powerful. Remember, broken English today can become fluent English tomorrow, but silent English never improves. Reason number 3: translating everything in your head. This happens to many learners. They first think in their native language, then they translate into English. This makes speaking slow and stressful. For example, you want to say, "I am tired." But first, your brain creates the sentence in your own language. Then it searches for English words. Then it checks grammar. Then pronunciation. By that time, the conversation already moved forward. Fluent speakers do not translate every sentence. They think directly in English. Now, don't worry. You do not need to think in English perfectly from the beginning. Start small. Try thinking simple thoughts in English. I am hungry. This food is delicious. I need water. The weather is nice today. Little by little, your brain becomes comfortable with English, and speaking becomes faster and easier. Reason number 4: lack of listening practice. Many learners want to speak English, but they do not listen to enough English. Listening is extremely important. Why? Because listening teaches you pronunciation, sentence patterns, natural expressions, speaking rhythm. Children listen for years before they speak fluently. The more English you hear, the more natural speaking becomes. So listen to English podcasts, YouTube videos, movies, interviews, audiobooks. And don't just listen passively. Repeat after the speaker. Copy the pronunciation and rhythm. This is called shadowing. For example, if the speaker says, "How was your day?" Pause and repeat, "How was your day?" This improves fluency very quickly. Reason number 5, not practicing consistently. Some people study English one day and stop for 2 weeks. Then they study again for 1 hour. Then stop again. This slows progress. Language learning is like exercise. Small daily practice works better than long practice once a month. Even 15 minutes every day can create big improvement over time.
You can learn 5 new words, speak for 10 minutes, watch 1 short English video, read a small paragraph. Consistency is the secret. Do not wait for motivation. Create a daily habit. Reason number 6, trying to learn difficult English. Too early. Many beginners try to learn advanced English immediately. They watch difficult movies. They memorize hard vocabulary. They read complicated books. Then they feel frustrated. Simple English is powerful. Native speakers use simple English every day. You do not need difficult words to communicate well. Start with daily conversations, common expressions, basic vocabulary. Focus on understanding and communication first. Fluency grows step by step. Reason number 7, poor pronunciation practice. Some learners know vocabulary and grammar, but avoid speaking because they feel insecure about pronunciation. Pronunciation improves through listening and repetition. You do not need a perfect American or British accent. You only need clear pronunciation. Speak slowly and clearly. Practice common sounds. Record your voice and listen to yourself. At first, it may feel uncomfortable, but this helps a lot. The more you practice, the more natural your pronunciation becomes. Reason number 8, no real speaking environment. Many learners study English only in classrooms or textbooks, but real communication is different. Speaking requires interaction. That is why you should create an English environment around you. For example, change your phone language to English. Speak to yourself in English, join English speaking groups, comment in English online, practice with friends. Even talking to yourself is helpful. Yes, really. You can describe your day. I am cleaning my room. Now I am making coffee. I need to finish my homework. This trains your brain to use English naturally. How to start speaking English confidently. Now let's talk about solutions. Here are simple things you can start doing today. 1. Speak every day, even if it is only 5 minutes. 2. Use simple English. Do not try to sound perfect. 3. Listen. More English input creates English output. 4. Repeat sentences out loud. Train your mouth and pronunciation. 5. Stop fearing mistakes. Mistakes are learning tools. 6. Learn useful daily phrases. 7. Think in English, little by little. Do not try to think in difficult English immediately. Start with small and simple thoughts every day. For example, I am tired. This food is delicious. The weather is nice. I need some water. The more you think in English, the more naturally you will speak. Now let's do a shadowing practice together. Shadowing means listening carefully and repeating exactly like a native speaker. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and expression. Ready? Repeat after me slowly and clearly. 1. Hello, how are you? 2. My name is Emma. Yes? 3. Nice to meet you. Yes? 4. I am learning English every day. Repeat, please. 5. I feel happy today. 6. I am a little tired. 7. What are you doing? 8. I need some help. 9. Could you repeat that? 10. I do not understand. Yes. 11. Please speak slowly. Yes. 12. Thank you very much. Yes. 13. Have a nice day. Yes. 14. I am going to school. Yes. 15. I like listening to music. Yes. 16. English is very important. Yes. 17. I want to speak fluently. Yes. 18. Practice makes progress. Yes. 19. I am not afraid of mistakes. Yes. 20. I can improve step by step. Yes. 21. Let's learn together. Yes. 22. Today is a beautiful day. Yes. 23. I believe in myself. Yes. 24. Speaking English becomes easier every day. Yes. 25. I will never give up learning English. Yes. Excellent job. Remember, fluency does not come from memorizing only. It comes from listening, repeating, and practicing every single day. So keep shadowing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Very good. You see, simple speaking practice builds confidence. Motivation for English learners. Sometimes people quit learning English because progress feels slow. But remember this, every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Nobody starts perfectly. Fluency is built through daily effort, one word at a time, one sentence at a time, one conversation at a time. Do not compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to your past self. If you know more today than yesterday, you are improving. And that matters. Final message. English is not learned only through books. English is learned by using it. Speak, listen, practice, repeat. And most importantly, believe that you can improve. Because you absolutely can. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson on Daily English with Emma. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And tell me in the comments, what is the biggest challenge in your English speaking journey? I would love to hear from you. See you in the next lesson. Bye everyone.